Hello everyone. Today I continue talk about the sound. Z, z. Okay, let's go. Begin. Z, the book. The book. This. This. This my house. This my house. That. That house. That house. Those sleep. No, sorry. Those. Those boy are good. The boy are good. They are my passion. They are my passion. Them. Give them water. Give them water. Middle. Closing. Closing. Weather. Weather. Leather. Leather. Nozen. Nozen. Maja. Maja. Another. Another. Together. Together. And. Cozy. Cozy. Base. Base. With. With. Breeze. Breeze. Smooth. Smooth. Okay. The next practice sentence. The first. Can I puzzle you with another question? Again. Can I puzzle you with another question? The second. They are bigger than you. No, sorry. The second. They are bigger than you. They are bigger than you. The third. Other than that, we were together the whole time. Again. Other than that, we were together the whole time. Fourth. Let's play this game together. Again. Let's play this game together. Okay, the finale. The weather is so beautiful today. The weather is so beautiful today. Okay, thanks for watching my video.